From phase 1 to phase 8, we have consistently delivered excellence in real estate development. We offer uninterrupted water supply, well-constructed access roads, proper drainage system, solar street lights, reliable electricity, all for your comfort and your convenience. Check out our majestic gate, stone perimeter walls, just for your security and safety of your investment. With 80% of Juja Prime Phase 8 sold out, the opportunity is slipping away very fast. For more information, call me on +254 722 692 344 and my email is charles@amgrealtors.com. Remember to be a smart investor.
Hi, uri mwega. Ino ni metha ya Kagoni. We are live. Jitago Monica Kagoni na ndigenda kuriganirwo ni gugucokeria ngatho mbere ndaya ni gucagura metha ya Kagoni na metha umuthi tumiambite live thini wa studio cia AMG Realtors. Na turi haha ni tondu wake, turi haha tondu twina kaundu turenda gwika gagukonie because we value you na turi na mundu gwitwo Elijah. Karibu sana Elijah.
Thank you very much.
Kuma AMG Realtors. Yes. Sijui kama wewe umeingia kwa hii live, Shiko Simon na kuona sana. Karibuni sana kwa hii live. Umuthi tugukorwo tugi celebrate April babies. Tugukorwo tugi celebrate birthday ciao. Na ni urona maratathi maria ndina mo Elijah.
Kegwire.
Wena maigana we?
Ni ndina Mary.
Wena Mary. Nigukuongerera.
Nigukuongerera. Yakiona we wina nyingi muno. Habari kem.
Wata.
Wa. Two more. Nigetha ukorwo na mana na nie mana. All these are April babies. My goodness.
Na they are also investors at AMG Realtors. Na tondu ni tumendete na ni tumavalue turenda gukorwo tugi celebrate birthday ciao thini wa our brand new show etagwo Tumageithi.
Amazing.
Muri anini ni mwatumaga ngeithi?
Tuatumaga shout out.
Oh, shout out.
Yeah, shout out.
We wa age ya shout out.
Yeah, age ya shout out Gen Z.
Okay, age itore. Tuatumaga ngeithi ndio ilikuwa nusu ya kuonana.
Na sasa ile ya Mugithi ninasikianga mwisho wa wimbo nasikianga mtu tu ameanza kusodongoa ate wa matagi kana mudo wa vikapu Njoroge wa avocado ginyaga makake
no Ngeithi
Rwimbo akirejaga muno
no Ngeithi.
Amazing.
So karibu sana mwiroreri wa metha ya Kagoni na muri turenda gukuria kiuria kihuthu urenda gutuma ngeithi ciaku kuri u. Ni nani ujaona kwa muda, labda mlikuwa mnasoma na yeye kana mwari ndugu muri anini ndugu ni cia mithemba mingi kana mwarereirwo gicagine kimwe arafu mugithama kana ari mwarimu waku wa primary kana mwathomaga kanitha umwe, you know.
Maugaga kwina ongetagwo the one who got away uria wendete agithie riu mukiurana no muririkanie no niramwenda kindu ta kiu
mauga so turi na Elijah haha ni undu wa gukuheka mweke kau ga gutuma ngeithi. I hope you have joined our live na mundu gwitwo Shiko Simon, asante sana. Regina David, thank you so much. Shiko Hope TV USA, haya asante. Lucy Dirango, Yodi Tari UK na mundu gwitwo of course AMG Realtors TV, they are with us. Shiko wa Simon ori atiriri na sisi watu wa match wacha tumwambie siku na match inakuja next year.
Anaweza fanya hivyo. Shiko nakupenda sana ama unaweza mkubali Yesu hii April. Unajua utazaliwa tena. Hiyo ni birthday kana. Asante.
Hiyo ni birthday. Umenyeshewa by the way. Ukurete.
Ndakwira.
Kurete uria utari gutahana kura na kwina some places cira flood. nikio turoria by the way ukiinuka ugitwarithia ngari please be careful kwina kundu kura flood uguo koguo kurori careful
for sure
no ikire nguo warm ndugakirware kahoma Elijah arajuria nikindi na kigoti ni ndikwenda kunyitwo ni homa
tiake maka
niki
kia kuraura guko thini
ni kuraura na kwira heho
by the way now you have to avoid homa at all costs.
At all cost
You are very correct.
No urirwo we
ndiakirwo nginya njwire yako ina mai ni uria utangiona
na ndiria yako maiga
no ria ahujia maragia maiko akiri mai kunyitirira mai matigaitike.
Okay. Yeah. So Miroreri, we are here tondu we want to na show jeru ireto tumageithi powered by AMG Realtors. AMG ni the most trusted land selling company na twiriga kuheo ngogenge the best land selling company. Neri kwige
the most trusted land selling company in the diaspora market. Tamaka.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Tamaka to Kenya.
Even
ginya out there.
Ginyaja.
Ona kuria shiko saimwari.
Ginya itoka siaja wa fururi.
Beyond the boundaries of Kenya. Koja.
Yeah. So thank you so much AMG ni undu wa kunyita metha guoko na gutuhotithia tukorwo na tabarire no na andu aria tura celebrate birthday they are investors of AMG Realtors. Turenda kumatambura na kumarecognize ni gucagura kuinvest na AMG Realtors na to uguo tu tukiambiriria mbere ya tuthomete birthdays tukiambiriria ni turenda gukumenyithia turi na kihita no thiini wa AMG Realtors tureta AMG Investment Challenge. Ni ukiuye Elijah. Tureka ate thiini wa challenge ino.
Ruwe, okoro no invested na AMG. You being a smart investor. Mundu etago on a list no smart investors.
Smart investor.
Tamaka. You take a photo with your title. Afu ugatumira namba iria tukukuhe. And then from there you also tag or challenge other people.
Yes. Uka nominate andu age.
Rito riu ni rio gucaragia.
That is the word.
I'm sorry. You nominate.
Uka nominate mundu ungi kuingira thiini wa challenge.
Yeah. Ona akiri wagoka Tamaka I invest na AMG ona kenda gukorwo na title ta
ona kio gukorwo na title
ya kuhura mbica njega to uguo.
Perfect. Na uria wa nominate andu aingi no uguo ugu stand a chance ya gucinda thimu ya smartphone.
Wow.
Smartphone nigetha ukeroragira metha wega na nigetha ukahota gutuma ona smartphone yo ngienda iheo akorwo ni wi nja ya bururi na niwe wacinda ungienda smartphone yo iheo mundu wi mucii Kenya ta mamu wanyu baba wanyu your brother your child nitukumunengereria thimu iyo. So nominate as many people as you can. Urahura mbica yaku kapicha ukishika title hivi
tuigwa kumonia
ndukimonia
mundu na hora
kidu takiu
afu ugatuma
namba riku
namba yo ni 0796 888 na +254 sorry
no kira plus ni odo shiko saimo izinda Regina Davis
my apologies
shiko saimo Masi Mathenge Edith Thuo Pan African Nation ni gwareita salamu anatuma salamu
na ginya Pan African
Martin Dongo thank you so much.
Amazing.
Na akasema na nasema to all AMG customers across the world we value you. Perfect.
Amazing.
Haya, so ugatuma namba ini riku plus.
Namba ya turatuma ni +2547 96 888 +2547 96 888 hakuhe juge na ikure uge gigithike
botige ni utuhingisa iko Elijah. So we are about to start guthomanya messages citu cia happy birthday. Happy birthday mundu gwitwo Maureen uri kuria New Zealand.
Wow.
Happy birthday mundu gwitwo Nancy Gatonye we UK. Happy birthday mundu gwitwo Paul uri Kenya. Happy birthday mundu gwitwo Rose Wairimo uri kundu gwitagwo Ireland. Happy birthday mundu gwitwo Wangeci uri Bahrain. Happy birthday mundu gwitwo Joki uri kuria mwena wa US. Happy birthday Ruth we Kenya. Happy birthday Sarah we Kenya. Happy birthday Stephen uri kuria mwena wa USA.
Amazing. Leo nani reke jire Kathy Susan from Texas, USA. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yes. Tuena George Kamunyu Mboro kuma Australia. Happy birthday to you, George. Na tuena Newton Njeru Ireri all the way from South Africa. Yeah. Happy birthday to you too. Yes. Nyogerere.
Nyogerera.
Kireke nyogerere Susan Jenga. Susan Jenga all the way from the US. Yes, happy birthday to you too as well.
All right. Haya, mundu gwitwo Teresia, happy birthday. Nyabura Teresia Kenya, Nyabura ari Maryland, USA. Niguo thomagwo?
Itago
Maryland, USA.
Yes.
Happy birthday. Mundu gwitwo Caroline ari kundu gwitagwo tathoma ritwa riri.
Caroline from Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska, in the United States of
Samahani. Samahani, soma tena. Caroline kutoka wapi?
Kutoka Nebraska. Yeah, Nebraska.
USA.
Yes.
Asante sana. Kuna mwingine anaitwa Wanjiko Jumeirah Village. United Arab Emirates.
Amazing.
Dubai.
Amazing.
How are you, Dubai? It was nice seeing you. By the way, mundu gwitwo Ruth Roberts ni urajirire ni uroka EMG. I am waiting for you. Sawa. Tuendele na kazi. Na by the way, marita maya ni maige no twage guthoma maritwa maya mothe. I just know kana akorwo we an April baby. We value you so much.
Awesome.
Tuendele?
Yes, tuena Samuel Mutuku Muthuka from all the way from Qatar. Happy birthday Samuel. Tuena Elizabeth Sheila Jerry kuma USA. Happy birthday. Na tuena Stephen Joroge. Yes, we have Stephen Joroge all the way from Germany. Happy birthday Stephen.
Happy birthday. Yes. Haya, otugithiaga na mbere ritwa beturore andu aria mari online na marauga atia. We Facebook page.
The Facebook page.
Eriko.
Ya metha ya Kagoni.
The one and only.
Which other one?
Haya, watu wako wanasema nini?
Awesome. Tuena Elizabeth Njoroge na kukaribisha, unasema uko ndani sana, karibu sana. Kamwana kawaja auga jitagwo Gakuo kuma Nyeri. Geithia Edia Anyama othe Nyeri. Edia Anyama samahani. Pole sana Kamwana kawaja. Wote wanaouza nyama pale Nyeri na ugathererie jeshi ya Nairutia ya Duthi. Jeshi ya Nairutia yote mmesalimiwa ya pikipiki pale.
Okay.
Awesome.
Wameisha.
Kuna Salome Wanjiro hapa anasema saseni watu wangu, we are tuned in from Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Thank you very much, karibu sana Salome kutoka Riyadh. Na tuina Joyce Kamau mwenye anasema salimia mama kiwa Thika Makongeni, anaitwa Mary ama Mama Kevo. Mama Kevo or Mary, umesalimiwa sana na Joyce Kamau.
All right.
Yes.
Haya, tumesema turenda kugathiriria muno we utwike wigire na handu. Kwi gikeno kinene gikirite owning your own home.
I doubt.
You doubt. Digwicira ne kuri utire. So mirere riturenda wigire handu ha guikara. That's why we are encouraging you wigire handu ha guikara na at AMG Realtors twina so many places you can invest in. Tako Elijah.
Tuena Juja. And I'm sure kuna watu wameiona hapo.
Ni tamu
sana. Tuko na Kangundo Road. Hadu heta wa Tulivu Gardens.
Yes,
Wazi hao
ukahorera.
We have a very brand new project. Eta wa Sayari ko Malindi. Very wonderful, very accessible. Todo trato mirafara area ya Malindi solar plant. So very accessible na handu ungiga onauga ni kugura ati nyingi unyitanie for the future purposes no ko we ni mundu akwenda na nyuki ke gwire
na nyuki
ndiye akiona ngeno wake na there is a smile we have the beautiful sunrise na nyuki sunrise phase 2 just for you
yeah. So kuri na andu maranjira haha tariri ta mundu gwitwo Yodit nigwareita haha rauga atiriri I was among the first people to invest with AMG in Nanyuki. Wow, asante sana Yodit.
Thank you.
Now Yodit, what you need to do demare na githugu ka Gikuyu
atageria gutukania tuone
kiria urabatara gwika Yodit ni kuoya title iyo yaku wihure ka selfie nwakona kega uguo arafu utume kwa AMG Realtors. Namba ni tukuhetwo ni mundu gwitwo Elijah na ni egucokera namba iyo ni riku.
Namba iyo ni +254 796 888 very simple
254
796
haya wona wahura kabisha kau na ninyandike hau screen ni yaku ni uramiona wona wahura kabisha kau wina title yaku ri utume hari namba ino ya AMG Realtors WhatsApp utume nigetha utwire you are an investor with AMG Realtors na ndugutigira hau ni nominate another person nigetha nake aingire thiini wa challenge ino tariu Yodit no nominate Mercy no nominate Miriam, no nominate Martin, no nominate Regina, nominate na njira ya gutuhe namba ciao cia thimu. Then as AMG Realtors ni tukumahurira tumere ni wa nominate ni Yodit kuingira thiini wa investment challenge mundu areko no o uria wa nominate andu aingi Yodit to stand a chance ya win a smartphone, and that is not the only price. Yani ni watuma mundu ungi agie na desire ya kuigithia na agie na gikeno kiu kiganiru gia kugia a home, isn't it? Yes. So Yodit, twende kazi. Namba tumeandika hapo kwa screen yako, ninyandike hau uguo namba ya AMG, ninyandike hau uguo na bado nindakwandikira thiini wa comment section koguo ni ukumiona hau uguo. Mundu gwitwo Becky, thank you so much, anasema great job Monica Kagoni and AMG Realtors, shout out to Kate and Joyce. Okay, soma uko na Kisugu yako msuri.
Shout out samahani kireke dhoma
hapo samahani.
Becky arauga great job Monica Kagoni and AMG Realtors with Elijah's accent. Say less. Shout out to Kate and Joyce in the US. We have a team representing us, Med Dallas, na maguthie ginya Seattle. Shout out to them. AMG team leaders representing.
Okay.
Nejega.
I give up.
Kana jokere.
Asha dokabe.
Thank you.
So Regina unasema unominatiwe. Regina, where is your title? Chukua title yako, jipige kapicha, tuma kwa hiyo namba tumekupea hapo ya AMG Realtors +254 796 888 tuma hiyo kapicha and nominate someone else. Nominate as many as you can nigetha uside thimu phone atiriri Elijah mundu uria unjirire nywe kawa gatari sukari mani ahitiirie
akiri uthugu
hati uthugu.
Do you know you are operating in diaspora hours no mwaka onywe
kawa gatari sukari
cappuccino
niko cappuccino
tiko no uthugu.
Haya, mundu gwitwo Elijah ni auga uria Juja na nema it is so beautiful. Turenda gukuonia just a minute uria Juja kuhana. So have a look at this.
Amazing.
From phase 1 to phase 8, we have consistently delivered excellence in real estate development. We offer uninterrupted water supply, well-constructed access roads, proper drainage system, street lights. reliable electricity, all for your comfort and your convenience. Check out our majestic gate, stone perimeter walls, just for your security and safety of your investment. With 80% of Juja Prime Phase 8 sold out, the opportunity is slipping away very fast. For more information, call me on +254 722 692 344, and my email is charles@amgrealtors.com. Remember to be a smart investor.
There's someone who said, I know that gate will be done after 3 years.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So let's review what we have, and I hope you are ready. In 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Juja Prime Phase 8. Kevin.
Karibuni sana.
We promised and we are delivering. We said we are doing a fantastic, majestic gate for all the people who invest here at Juja Phase 8. 90% of the gate is done, including Cabro on the entrance, including a gatehouse. Pahali Soja, the guard will be staying, yeah?
Exactly.
Akifungulia watu.
Yes.
Hey, hi, how are you?
Ah, very fine.
Umekuja huku eh?
Nimekuja huku sasa.
Oh, okay.
Majina
kamili?
Kevin Mwangi.
Kevin Mwangi eh? Umekuja kwa nani?
Nimekuja kwa kazini yangu, anakaa hapo house number 10.
Some
of the things that we are doing here, number 1, access roads for you. We'll also do a perimeter wall, the way we've done from Phase 2 all the way to Phase 8. We'll also do street lights for you.
And also in addition, can you imagine electricity is inside.
Exactly.
Water provision is inside. Drainage is sorted. Tuko pamoja.
Yeah.
Once you buy with us, of course you've mentioned title deed within 60 days. And also in addition to that, we help you get approvals for building your home. When unua, neighbors watakupata.
Mwiroreri niona how beautiful Juja is. Umeona kuna mtu anauliza hapo ni Kenya.
Imagine.
Hapo ni Kenya.
Ni Kenya.
Ni Kenya.
Hii moja tu. Hiyo
ni project ya AMG Realtors from Juja Prime Phase 1 to Juja Prime Phase 8. Na umekuwa ukimiss.
Imekupita hata heri kupite moja. 7. Ai.
7.
Unajua unapitwa hadi na namba ya Mungu.
Imagine.
Sasa
umepewa
another opportunity. Iko 80% sold na bado unangoja. Ginyaga maka.
Imagine miroreri. Na thengio ni guthie na mbere na guturumirira mundu gwitwo Njoki Waitito. Anasema ni Njoki. Kagoni, you are my destiny helper. Nilikuja huko 2022, sai I am married. Nilitoa bwana medha ya Kagoni. God bless you. Hallelujah. Thank you, Joki.
God bless you.
Sasa urudi tufanye loved again. Sawa. Haya, shout out to Muro wa Nyakuru. Muro wa Nyakuru kule Qatar from AMG Realtors. Muro wa Nyakuru from AMG Realtors, receive a geithi cikinyire mundu gwitwo Muro wa Nyakuru kuma kwa AMG Realtors arikuria Qatar. Grace ara watch kuma Gulf na arauga shout out to all Kenyans na gayagitire andu aria othe affected ni floods. Mundu gwitwo AMG Realtors akauga Njoki, shout out, this is wonderful. Regina David akakwambia anasema Atshiko Simon nakwambia kuko sawa kabisa. Haya Njoki Waitito, congratulations message kumako Reshiko Simon. Haya, nawe saidia kwa wanasema nini?
Na Kenya bagethia Shiko Simon rigi. Ndrona wire uri areka ni mwega mwega.
Na Shiko Simon nyo akawa gatari sukari.
Lakini yako tuira unyo mpaka Facebook. Tunaona kwina Mr. Simon Mwangi arauga following from Maroroi Estate. He is Reverend Simon, by the way. God bless you very much, Reverend.
Asante, Reverend.
Yes. We have Peter wa FRR. Kana ne Peter wa FRR.
Australia.
Yeah.
Peter, thank you.
From Sydney, Australia.
Peter, by the way, we invest our AMG Realtors. You can wiriga Kenya. Uone uria Kenya ikurite.
Yeah.
Wiriga gukuri ni watigite twina super highway.
Inyaga maka.
Tika ni watigite. No watigite twina expressway thiku ici guthi airport is 2 minutes we airport.
Yeah. Salome Wanjiru anasema Monica ithuĩ twetereire muno biũ. Ya mengoja akona anticipation. Noga nĩ ũkũmũgeithia ũmũthĩ.
Salome amukira ngeithi nyingi ta muthanga wa iria.
Ati muthanga
wa iria.
Oh, the son of the sea. Ni nguga iria milk. Rĩu gĩkĩro gĩakwa.
Nĩ
Samahani.
Samahani.
Awesome. We have Susan Shibi or CB anasalimia Monica sana. Unaambia hi Monica.
Asante Susan. Asante. Ungenda gutuma ngeithi kuri u. Tari ngeithi kwanyu tene cia maanisha. By the way, we wa area yandikagwo marua. Mamu wanyu akandikira baba wanyu marua akamwira nati kwandikirwo ndui mate tutiathomete kogwa thiaga kuri mundu uria muthomu tari tuge Elija niwe muthomu thini wa itura na ni ndire muthomu riu ngathi kwi Elija ngamwira anyandikire marua maria ngutumira muthuri wakwa riu ndiguki dictate uria urandika kuri James Kagoni wa mbere nĩ ngeithi nyingĩ ta mũthanga wa iria na thutha wa ngeithi ũyũ nĩguo ũhoro wakwa kuma rĩrĩa wĩrĩga nĩ ndohire nda na rĩu ĩna mĩeri 8 ndagĩtarĩ araugire ngohoka tarĩki 10 mweri wa 5 no
mũndũ akagĩa na James akagĩa na pressure agĩthoma tu
Gwenda kũria atiriri ndagĩa kahĩnga gatua brother yaku ũrĩa mũkũrũ wĩ to mũtiaranagiria kana gatua
by this time
agakwĩra atiriri akandĩka atiriri na Meni nĩraheirwo kana ĩraciarire Meni nĩwe nĩ ndũĩ
najua ni mnyama sikumbuki ni gani
Meni nĩ ng'ombe ĩtagwo Meni nĩragĩire kamori kamori nĩ kairĩtu
a baby girl cow.
Exactly. You need to learn Kikuyu is sweet.
I know so Kikuyu from in my household. Kikuyu gĩakwa nĩ kĩo kĩega.
Yes. I could do many nĩraciarire kamori nĩraruta rita 30 o mũthenya. Nĩndwaraga ndĩri na mbeca icio nĩndĩcigĩte wega mũno rungu rwa matresi.
Nĩ wandĩkĩte.
Maritwa.
Na kĩ ũrathoma wega ũguo.
Tareke tuthombe kĩrĩa kĩandike haha. Alice Kafura kuma Maryland, asante sana, happy birthday. Anastasia kuma thoma kigo gĩkĩ. Michigan.
Yeah, Michigan.
Okay.
USA.
Anastasia kuma Michigan, USA. Asante sana, happy birthday. Mũndũ witwa Wamboi ari Kenya, happy birthday. Wangui Italy, happy birthday.
Wow.
Benson, US, happy birthday. Caroline, UK, happy birthday. Mura, US, happy birthday. Washington. Dukani DC kuigiri. Na ikufatara gucera US. I need to visit the
You know
US.
you were just from you were just from Dubai. Were you from Dubai?
I'm just from Dubai.
Yeah.
So I need to visit the USA. Michelle Kuma UK, happy birthday. Charles Kuma Kenya, happy birthday.
Amazing.
David Kuma Kenya, happy birthday. Mũndũ gwĩtwo Gatongi ari UK, happy birthday. Mũndũ gwĩtwo Washuka ari California, happy birthday. Mũndũ gwĩtwo Elizabeth ari kũndũ gwĩtagwo Washington, happy birthday. Mũndũ gwĩtwo Watĩrĩ ari Canada, happy birthday. Esther from UK, happy birthday. Esther Wanjiru from UK, happy birthday. Na Fidelis Kuma Kenya, happy birthday. Ni uri ramainira karibu ka happy birthday.
Wonderful.
Tayarisha.
Kwena mwenye etagwo Stevie Wonder. Ona dio ni ate ainaga nyimbo njega uguo. Tondu ndonaga he's visually impaired. Yeah, he's not blind. He's visually impaired.
Yes.
No na ile karwimbo kamwe hakihutia muno.
Kainagwo atia. I die.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dina bere. Happy birthday to you. Tamaka kuma hawe. Gwishia ne muireto inagiro riu kuko ngedia nyitire diakire murume ngiwa ne gonyita tu ya happy birthday.
La. Ndwanyitire kuu kuge.
Ici ingĩ cia Kenya usually ne kata keki tukule sasa. No ni greda kuga I'm very happy todo most of my clients aria ngoretwo ngitumira title kumbe makoretwo magi surprise wanaji surprise as na title as a birthday gift. Ginya ugathi ukona Facebook mundu akauka wow today is the day I want to thank God.
Yes.
Kumbe anashukuru Mungu na anigatagwo hau Facebook todo onake ni arakenera tike but the present to herself is a title deed.
Wow.
What greater gift.
By the way. Very nice. Atuge celebrate birthday. Kire urenda kuihe takiheo is a title. Okay, haya. Elijah.
Okay.
Sasa ebu tuende break kidogo na breaki si ni wewe unaimba wimbo.
Mimi ndio break.
Wewe ndio break.
Okay.
Iwapi gitaa?
Gitaa yangu sasa unajua Monica huku nishtua mapema.
Nilikushtua ni wewe ulilala. Wewe ulilala.
Ginya jaji kuina happy birthday kibongo. Kuina ya South Africa.
Taina ya South Africa.
Modosha akora na ka voice ka soprano muna DJ hota.
Shageria.
Akora happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ina bongo.
Kenya benyina ya githungu.
Tiga ka happy birthday na kage.
Nilikuwa nataka kuimba tunasherehekea ushindi wa Bwana. No akiona hiyo tia birthday necessarily.
Ikarumbo kare ndagukorerera ngena stairs-ini.
Kau kage ni ka mundu uria at this time this point in time in their life yes ni birthday month no maundu matirathi uria
angienda.
Yes dina title no ga dagiukiro dakora dina mai haha na no akiona tondu no rekio ndirenda gukwira naelewa mweni uyu etagwo Israel Mbonyi na eraga Ngai naelewa maji na moto nitapita kwenye milima na mabonde au nedathukia rwimbo ndoina guo no in essence arauga atiriri even at this time anatugituma ngeithi oko we hau na maundu matirathi uria magiro guthie kana urona magiro guthie maji na moto unapitia ndio maana kunywa maji moto lakini maji na moto utapitia but it is all to encourage you si ndio
sasa wewe unapitia maji na moto juu nimekupata ukiimba huo wimbo ulikuwa unaimba huo wimbo unapitia maji na moto kijana
Jetasho onani ejuke
ugewa isigo
onani ejuke through no day mwega thank God baada yako ni September nikio gushire kiu nikio kirajika diga kikene
Okay. So Yoditarajira Kagodi, some of us don't have each other's number so that we can nominate with their names. Yodit, they don't need to be your online friends. They could be your family members. Maybe you read to nominate brother yaku or your sister or your uncle, your cousin. Also, Rutakawera Dubai. Umwirire there is a legit company. Ugigora ugigithia nayo AMG Realtors. So it's not just your online friends. Ni mundu wothe we nakyo geda ku nominate. And remember, watu tumira contact cia mundu ucio. that information remains with AMG. Tutiguka kumekira social media ine.
Sure.
We respect your privacy. Koguo information yoyothe uratutumira ni igukorwo just within AMG.
Exactly.
All right. Uko na watu online hapo kabla tusome birthday zingine?
Reverend amesema may God remember our country and bless our country at this time. Thank you so much Reverend Simon. Shiko Simon, naona uko very active hapa. Karibu sana. We are waiting to see you soon. That is very true. Shiko Simon. We are waiting to see you very soon. Na mamake Shem, ni uretwo haha na mashinyeve. Ni murero muke please.
Muke haha.
Ke mwiku, mwiha. Ukai tuena ona injue ni twamugeithia in absentia.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Haya, Florence we US, happy birthday. Mudogo wetu George. George Karaoke ari Washington. Happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Gladys Wamboi Kenya. Happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Kaitara hautakuona wega. Ni ugukita na miwani.
Datiga cia kwa kiria kwenye maji na moto.
Nikuwatiga miwani. Haya, Jane Washeke Kenya, happy birthday. Amazing. James ore USA, happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Wamboi from USA, happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Gitao Mbogwa from Kenya, happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Dirago from US, happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Judy, happy birthday. Julius, happy birthday. Kevin, happy birthday. Asho the Nyakuma Kenya. Agnes from sasa hii ndio jina mzito sana kwa hii dunia. Hii inaitwa aje?
Pennsylvania.
Yeah. USA. Happy birthday Agnes.
Happy birthday.
Mudogo Lydia from California, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mudogo ogweto Mother kumarere huko niko
Massachusetts. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Haujamalizia.
Massachusetts.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Wagare ari Germany.
Wow.
No iriri utangikihota guthoma ona hari oranyonera.
Rathomo. Ratzeburger.
Kuma Germany. Happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Wanjiko Wanjiru, Saudi. Happy birthday.
Amazing. Ann kuma Monica. Ana etika fari uri yaku. Rire ni?
Riu. We. Hinter. We asa.
Hinter der Mauer.
Kuna kitu kama hiyo.
All the way from Germany. Ann, happy birthday. Tuena Simon kuma Canada. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tuena Brenda kuma Washington DC. Happy birthday. Tuambie kama umekula keki tayari ama kama hujakula tukuje mpaka Washington tuine kata keki tukule sasa. Kata keki tukule sasa. Kata keki ya birthday. Kata keki tukule. Wow. No ine.
Hiyo ni sauti gani unatumia? Ni tena ama ni bass ama ni
base 2.
Base 2.
Yeah, base strictly 2. T base 1. Base 1 ingekuwa lighter.
Strictly 2.
Yeah, iko na authority.
All right.
Yeah, so tuena Hubbard from USA. Happy birthday. Tuena Jane umete St. Tewksbury. That is in USA, Massachusetts. Na tuena Nancy kuma Germany. Happy birthday to you.
Naya. Caroline Wamboi, Australia, happy birthday. Catherine from Saudi, happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Wamboi Karaoke kuma USA, happy birthday. Dorothy from UK, happy birthday.
Wow.
Jacqueline from the US, happy birthday. Jennifer kuma Kenya, happy birthday. John kuma US, happy birthday. Heno gihaha umetereri. Nevada, USA. Etago Marie. Happy birthday Marie.
Happy birthday Marie.
Robert in Nairobi, Kenya. Happy birthday. Mudogo wetu Rosemary, happy birthday. Marito mayano twende kumathoma mo. No reu, there are so many. So April babies, we wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. na riri hena kamessage kega haha ikarauga atiriri count your life by smiles not tears, count your age by friends not years. Happy birthday. Twende ka break kidogo niturashokereria tuthi na mbere na guthoma yo happy birthday no kwenda gutuma ngeithi kuri we twandikire thiini wa comment section agikorwo rerorera Facebook kana YouTube twandikire thiini wa live comments ngeithi ciaku renda cikinyire u.
Guess what? This is our latest project on offer. All Saruni, 8.25 acres, 20 minutes drive from Nanyuki town, around the vicinity where Mayan is, same road, coming to you at only 2.5 million for an eighth, 4.5 million for a quarter.
Only 2.5 million for an eighth. And I get to save 500,000.
From the road to a river frontage. The choice is yours.
Go.
All Saruni kuria mwena wa Nanyuki. Such a beautiful project mwiroreri aikorwo ni uretha country home
Yeah.
Country home igayanitio na muigana wake
twina 50 by 100 plots how 8 acres icio ukagura for 2.9 million if you buy it in installment price ile akahora cash price ukagura na 2.6 million you save 300,000
wow
automatically no amenya mauga good things come in small portions no goko shiroka ginya in bigger portions
yes.
No twina quarter acres as well ko jega muno icio na wenda hado next to the river front yugo
wokera kiroko gaikara ukamboga thikiriria tumai tugitherero guo tunyoni tukeina ugacuka kahingura dirisha yaku ya bedroom uguo nona ni iria cia go slide
ginya ukaje is the what are they called in English? Sliding curtains.
I think so. Ukahingura uguo wahingura uguo ugatungwa ni Mount Kenya snow haria iguru
kaka ukeonera tia thimu-ini kana TV
ugaikara hau ukameditate ukahoera hau ukera mwathani thank you for the gift of life. It's such a beautiful place. Oh, mwiroreri, you need to go there. You need to invest in All Saruni. It is so beautiful next to Mayan. Na mwiroreri is such a prime.
Yes,
project.
Such a prime area. Yes. Karibuni sana.
So mundu ucio renda ku invest in All Saruni tumuririkania na mbere kuhura oro riu nigetha u enjoy a discount. Namba ya AMG
namba ya AMG ni +2547 968885 +2547 968885.
All right.
Karibuni sana.
Uko na mtu hapo online?
Niko na watu hapa online. Naona Essie Ann Karaoke ameitwa pia na popote alipo. Essie karibu sana. Regina David kumbe anatuwatch live from Dubai.
From Dubai.
That's amazing.
Mweno ulikuwa Dubai, Regina? Uko pande gani ya Dubai?
Unajua tuko na mwenyeji wa Dubai hapa. You have been around. Kuna Lucy Magiri anasema everyone in the office asalimiwe sana.
Asante Lucy.
So asante.
Aya. Urenda gutuma ngethi ciaku kuri u kwa nani? Your mom back at home, your brother, your child, your friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your what else? Your catechism teacher. Ukenda gutuma ngethi ciaku kuri mwalimu wa maths. Unataka kumtumia salamu, hapa ndio nusu ya kuonana. Tuma ngeithi ciaku riu in the comment section twandikire akorora watch Facebook live metha ya Kagoni twandikire in the comment section on YouTube twandikire thiini wa live comments na tugukorwo tugithoma ngeithi cio na oroho angikorwo you are an April baby please write to us na nituguthoma shout out ciaku na to uguo tu. Have you invested with AMG Realtors? Have you? Yes or no? Haya, otugithiaga na mbere na ku celebrate birthday cia our customers. We really value you. Mundu gwitwo George ori Washington USA, happy birthday. Mundu gwitwo John Kimani ori Texas USA, thank you, happy birthday. Mundu gwitwo Mary kuma Texas bado, Dallas, USA. Happy birthday. Mundu gwito Peter Kuwait. Niwe Kuwait niyo currency area iguru muno.
Yake makire. That is such profound. Like wale tu wamejificha tu wametulia, huwezi dhani.
We imagine. Besa yao is about 400 and something Kenya.
Yeah,
imagine,
I saw that.
Imagine.
Wow. Kwa hivyo huyo
Peter ako Kuwait.
Ama siri ni Kuwait upon the Lord.
But don't wait to buy and wait.
So kwanza buy
and wait.
Unaweza sasa fanya Kuwait. Samahani.
Lakini kwa mbona hukuenda kwa theater? So Peter, kuma Kuwait, hi, we love you very much. Happy birthday. Sarah from US, happy birthday. Lea ari Germany. Hena ritwa ringi hau no ni ndiguthoma. To ni iritu.
Okay.
Germany, happy birthday. Na hena ungi uretwo Peter ari Indiana. Happy birthday.
Amazing.
Gladys, US, happy birthday. Pauline, Japan.
Japan. Wow.
Maragi yake ndui kiu.
Japanese.
Niwe kanini?
Niye joe Mandarin. Iyo ni ya China. Sheshe. Yeah.
Kuga ati oguo.
Ni wega.
Ati?
Sheshe.
Ni watu enjoy.
Mwaniketi ni enjoy. Eki ando matuire comment section. Jodo ni joe tu na fans wa China.
You have just enjoyed us. Haya, mudu wito Pascolini kuma Italy arauga. Hello from Italy. Federaya Italy ikoragwo na blue, white, green. Idi kwirira uheme wani. Green, white and yellow. Na Mercy arauga salimia Beth Muthoni, my brothers and my sisters, watu wote wa Kiamwangi Gatondo South. Yako inasemaje?
Sasa Washera.
Na hii list yako umemaliza?
Hapana. Baraka tele. Sasa niko na Margaret from Bedfordshire, in the UK. Happy birthday. Tuko na Ikra kutoka Australia. Ikra Ibrahim kutoka Australia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Laban from the US. Hado hetago Oregon.
Oregon.
Yeah.
No, Oregon.
It's Oregon. And then we have Rose from Kenya. Happy birthday. Na Alice Kumaki Abu. Happy birthday to you too. Kenya gerere Jane Kuma Belgium. Wow, Jane from Belgium, happy birthday to you as well. Yes.
All right. So hena mundu watuma title yake.
Oh, wow.
She's a smart investor.
Very nice.
Etagwo Yodit from the UK. Na hena mundu nominated hau. Nigetha nake aingire thini wa investment challenge. Nitwauga that information remains private. Koguo tutiguthoma ritwa rũcio nominated. But hena mundu nominated. Nakauga atiriri. Okay. So thank you so much, Yodit. Remember, uria wa nominate andu aingi. You stand a chance. Tukirikia go celebrate Mother's Day. You stand a chance ya gũcinda a smartphone. Na ũngĩkorwo rĩ nja ya bũrũri na nĩ ũrona thimũ ĩyo no wende kũmĩheana kũrĩ mũndũ wanyu wĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, nĩ tũkũmĩtwara kũrĩ mũndũ ũcio ĩrĩ ta your present to them. So Yodit, ũrĩa wa nominate andũ aingĩ no stand a chance ya win a smartphone. Na to ũguo tu mwĩroreri, of course ni ukorwo rikionereria kiega hari mundu ucio ungi ati they need to start their home ownership journey.
For sure.
Githungu kingi hirio muthe mundu witwo Kevin kuma Boston, thank you so much, happy birthday. Nikurikiriria ndirarikiriria Charlene kuma Kenya, happy birthday. Jennifer kuma Kenya, happy birthday. Benson kuma USA, Jewel kuma, that's a beautiful name. Jewel kuma US.
Jewel.
Huh? Yes?
Not Jewel.
Is what?
Not Jewel, it's Jewel.
Okay.
Nyume digati.
Ketho mena accent ya gwitu. Jewel kuma US, happy birthday. Zipporah and Mary kuma Kenya, happy birthday. And all the April babies, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dia kiona tuina modu wa Egypt. Yeah, Mary from Egypt. Happy birthday. Na riu kwina ongi wa ando atatu a UAE. Dio kana ni my neighbors. Tuina Teresia, tuina Kellen, and we have Christine. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
We wish you well.
We wish you
Hena
well.
ka message haha gonete kega muno ka birthday.
Kame kujenga.
Kame ni jenga.
Amazing.
Kanasema aje. Another adventure-filled year awaits you. Welcome it by celebrating your birthday with pomp and splendor. Wishing you a very happy and fun-filled birthday. And we wish you all the best in your life. We wish you God's blessing. Haria hatigarite kuhinguka hahinguke. Merirerio maria mothe ukoragwo namo marotika magukinyanira one by one. Urokorwo na good health. Haria warigariga murango kahingurirwo. May your life, the life you're starting, the new year you're starting, may it be full of abundance. That's what we wish you. Thank you. Wina karibu ga guturekereria tukihinga nigetha tuge good night kuri aria marathi toro na good day kuri aria mambiriria muthenya wao.
Riu gakwa tiga ni gakirathimo tika birthday necessarily no ndirenda kumera the Lord bless you and keep you, make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord shine his face towards you and give you peace. Amen. 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 God bless you as you head to the new year, as you head to your day. Baraka tele.
Hey. Na ni utwikaga serious ugiendai.
Akeroga dikora serious Monica.
Wow, thank you so much. Ndiwe ngiogoka na kiria
na
guitar.
Sawa. No ndio guthaka mugithi ni njue guthaka ici cia.
Hatire thena ni tukakate.
Okay, amazing.
Okay. Haya. Mwiroreri hau niho tukwetirihira tafarira itu. Na nitugukorwo na tafarira ingi nyingi cia gutuma ngeithi ngeithi ciaku nomination yaku kuingira thiini wa reke nguririkanie oringi. We have an investment challenge. Na challenge eno, it is so simple kuingira. Are you an investor? It's not necessarily ukorwo wagurire mugunda waku na AMG Realtors. Kiria urabatara gwika no kuoya title yaku. Your title, wihure mbica a selfie, utume guku kwa AMG Realtors. Namba niyo iri hau screen-inĩ yaku mwiroreri. Watumari ucoke utwire atiriri no nyende ku nominate so and so tari no uge no nyende ku nominate Monica, namba yake ya thimu ni weno. No nyende ku nominate Abel, namba yake ya thimu ni weno. Mary, namba yake ya thimu. O andu ari othe ukwenda ku nominate tuhe namba ciao cia thimu. We will call them na tumere when we wama nominate maigire thiini wa investment challenge, and that information is very private. De kuma kwa AMG Realtors nigetha onao maringiririe gutwika smart investors. Na rohori hau noho gutumira shout out ciaku ukwenda kugeithia u echo all that, you send us all that information. The next time tugoka na form taici nigetha tuthome maritwa ma andu aria mutumite shout out kuri o mwirorere. Thank you so much ni gucagura metha ya Kagoni, na thank you ni kuigithia na AMG Realtors. Ukirumagirira pages citu nigetha ukona the different projects that we are having. Juja, all Saruni no one oria ciethaka. Please start your investment journey now. Ndugeterere rucio tondu bei igakorwo ihaibite. Start now. Call now mwiroreri. Au niho tukuhingira Tuma na Elijah. Ito Elijah u?
Jitagwa Elijah Mainge.
Elijah Mainge. Aya, tuma na Elijah Mainge kuma kwa AMG Realtors.
Yes.
Na ni Monica Kagoni. Thank you so much. Nigucagura metha ya Kagoni. Aria marathi toro, good night. Aria marambiriria muthenya wao, have a beautiful day. We love you so much. We value you.
Thank you.
Ukai guku AMG mu university ninyu murenda mugunda mutikari great nikiri mwasharirie.
Mwiroreri wa Kenya Diaspora Media jitagwo Martin Githinji ni CEO designate guku kambuni ya AMG Realtors Limited na ndi wabici itu guku AMG Center na ndina mugeni na customer witu haha na nie gwitamburukia nie ku introduce. Karibu sana.
Asante Martin.
Thank you muno, karibu.
Jetagwo Kezia Mwangi nyumite kuria gwitagwo Dallas, Texas. Ngoretwo ngi-invest na AMG. I've invested a lot of money. That makes it go na githungu no sawa. Ciothe ni igutwarana.
It's okay.
Ni invested na company no. Ni andu reliable, ni andu kurira na ona wi kuraihu. Koretwo ngimatumira mbeca ndi ruraya na ni makoretwo maki receive na makajigira kiria gigiakwa. So I came to run AMG through Jeremy Damaris through the internet, and I have run a lot from that time. So invested and have seen the property and they deliver. So damwira mo invest in the AMG. The management, Martin is here. I've met Martin many times. I've even met the founder, yes. Andrew and Agnes. Yes. So these are reliable people, and the people who work there, everybody in AMG, I give a hands up. Near to reliable, very honest. They deliver what they are saying. Asante.
Thank you. Dina keheo giakwa.
Asante sana.
Thank you muno ni ku invest na AMG na mahoya maitu ni ati investment yaku na ithuĩ nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩrathimo family yaku ũmũthĩ na rũciũ.
Thank you Martin. Na nĩ ngwĩka, I'll do my balosi. They even made me a balosi, so that is what I'm gonna do. Wow. Kwoguo ngwĩra my friends na arĩa angĩ maranyona, please okay mo invest.
My contact number is +254716 490-653, and that's my number. So you can reach me on +254716 490-653, and you can also check us on our website address, which is www.amgrealtors.com, www.amgrealtors.com. Thank you once more for choosing to invest with AMG Realtors.
Nadigirigano ne kuga he hands up to Evans. Don't know yeah, he has been super
amazing. Yes. Evans
super. He's my agent. He's the one who made me come to
Evans.
No, na kugia na trust. For me to have that career trust, because he's the first person that get so you can imagine you have a very great person who is working with you.
Amazing. Yes. Thank you muno, ne team leader.
Yes.
Guko AMG. Thank you Evans.
Thank
you muno. Asante.
Karibu.